Welcome back to the channel. After days of warnings, a powerful cold front struck the city, bringing torrential rain, destructive winds, and chaos to communities already vulnerable. On Wednesday, 25 June 2025, the Western Cape was hit by one of its most severe winter storms in recent years. The system unleashed heavy rainfall and strong winds that caused widespread flooding, damaged infrastructure, and crippled traffic across the city. The fast-moving cold front slammed into Cape Town with force submerging motor vehicles, flooding roads, and overwhelming drainage system. It then moved further inland on Thursday, 26 June. Rainfall pounded the city through the night and into the early hours of the morning, turning streets into rivers. From Khayelitsha to Kraaifontein, Bellville to Bishop Levis, roads vanished between brown, surging flood waters. Low-lying areas and neighborhoods below mountain slopes were hit hardest as canals, place and retention ponds filled to capacity. Localized flooding intensified. But it wasn't just the rain. The cold front, driven in from the Atlantic, brought damaging coastal swells and icy gale force winds. The South African Weather Service had issued multiple alerts before the system hit. Still, for many, no levels of preparation was enough to avoid the impact. Emergency services were overwhelmed. Disaster risk management teams responded to dozens of calls from flooded homes, while traffic officers scrambled to manage the chaos on submerged roads. Clogged storm water drains and aging infrastructure only made the crisis worse. Even animal welfare teams were called into action. The SPCA and the Animal Welfare Society mobilized quickly, rescuing stranded pets and livestock from waterlogged shelters and flood-prone properties. Informal settlements were among the hardest hit. In some areas, shacks were flooded waist deep. Residents reported soaked bedding, spoiled food, and extended power outages. Aid organizations and the city of Cape Town have stepped in to distribute blankets and food parcels to affected communities. And the worst may not be over yet. The South African Weather Service has warned that the same cold front is heading towards the Eastern Cape, an area still reeling from deadly floods earlier this month. As temperatures continue to drop, snow is expected in high-lying regions of the Eastern and Northern Cape. Icy winds will persist, and motorists are being urged to avoid mountain passes like Sir Lorries and the Hex River route. As the mother city begins its long recovery, this storm serves as another brutal reminder of Cape Town's vulnerability to extreme weather. While climate change may not directly cause every storm, it makes systems like these stronger, more frequent, and far more destructive. Let us know in the comments how the storm has affected your area. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on South African news and stories from around the world, as we bring you matters that matter.